Simplifying sentences. Mastering subject pronouns and relative clauses. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we're going to focus on a crucial topic: replacing nouns with subject pronouns and relative clauses. This is a great way to make your sentences more concise and fluent. So, let's dive right in. Before we start replacing nouns, let's do a quick review. Remember, relative clauses are parts of a sentence that give additional information about something without starting a new sentence. And subject pronouns are simply the pronouns that we use in place of the subject of a sentence. These are words like he, she, it, they, etc. For example, consider this sentence: the dog that is brown is barking. The dog is our noun. That is brown is our relative clause. And within that is our subject pronoun. Now, let's learn how to replace nouns with subject pronouns in these clauses. It's easier than you think. Imagine you have a sentence: the man who is wearing a hat is my uncle. Here, the noun, the man, can be replaced with a subject pronoun. But we need to be careful. The pronoun must refer to the same person or thing as the noun. So, our new sentence could be: he who is wearing a hat is my uncle. This maintains the original meaning while making the sentence more fluid and natural. Now it's your turn to practice. We're going to give you a sentence, and your task is to replace the noun with a suitable subject pronoun. 1. The girl who is singing is my sister. 2. The books that are on the table belong to me. 3. The city that we visited last year was beautiful. Pause the video here and take your time to solve these. Ready to check your answers? Let's go through them together. 1. The girl who is singing is my sister. Becomes: she who is singing is my sister. 2. The books that are on the table belong to me. Becomes: they that are on the table belong to me. 3. The city that we visited last year was beautiful. Becomes: it that we visited last year was beautiful. Note that the pronouns she, they, and it correspond to the girl, the books, and the city, respectively. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to replace nouns with subject pronouns and relative clauses. This skill can help you write and speak English more fluidly. Remember, the key is practice, practice, practice. Don't forget to revisit this lesson and keep practicing these exercises until you're comfortable. Until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.